Welcome to EnglishNova Channel.
I can run fast.
I can run fast.
I can jump high.
I can jump high.
I can sing a song.
I can sing a song.
I can dance.
I can dance.
I can read a book.
I can read a book.
I can write my name.
I can write my name.
I can draw.
I can draw.
I can ride a bike.
I can ride a bike.
I can play football.
I can play football.
I can play the piano.
I can play the piano.
I can open the door.
I can open the door.
I can wash my hands.
I can wash my hands.
I can eat an apple.
I can eat an apple.
I can drink water.
I can drink water.
I can cook rice.
I can cook rice.
I can bake a cake.
I can bake a cake.
I can feed the dog.
I can feed the dog.
I can hear a bird.
I can hear a bird.
I can skate.
I can skate.
I can ski.
I can ski.
I can spell my name.
I can spell my name.
I can tell a story.
I can tell a story.
I can learn English.
I can learn English.
I can say hello.
I can say hello.